Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing video of my latest watch purchase. To give you a little bit of backstory to how I came across this watch and how I decided to purchase it, over the weekend I went to a watch convention in Sydney called Between the Lugs, and when I was looking up the brands list, I saw this brand Bausele on there. Prior to this, I had only heard of Bausele from an obscure video from the Tellingtimeyt channel. But anyway, when I got to the convention, I had the pleasure of meeting the founder of Bausele, Christo, who by the way is such an amazingly genuine and passionate guy, and he took me through his range of watches. And going through them, I was amazed by the design and build quality of the watches. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So the watch comes in a cardboard outer box, and this model is the only one that has this packaging I believe, as it is a limited edition collab with the French artist Seconde. So on the box we have this cool perspective drawing, because this watch has a cool message about perspective, as you'll see shortly. On the side of the box there is a little message that says, "For every fin there are at least two perspectives." Oh, and before I forget, let's do a wristwatch check. Today I have on my trusty G-Shock Square. Opening up the box, we have a little promotion card. And there it is, the Bausele X Seconde. There are two variants of this model and each is limited to 50 pieces. Now on the inside of the card you get some playful art from the artist. Now on to the inner box. So the inner box is actually a plastic case, which is a little bit of like a toolbox style, and this kind of case is very common with smaller to mid-tier micro brands. And oh, there you have it, the Bausele X Seconde Sydney Diver Limited Edition. Let's get this watch off the cushion and take a closer look. And wow, just look at the finishing and details on the watch. What immediately caught my attention is the playful design by the artist Seconde and the unique color scheme. I was also looking for a blacked out PVD case watch, and this one just perfectly fit the bill. I think the colors of this one just work so well with that black case and bezel, white dial, and aquamarine blue accent on the markers and hands. The watch comes on a color matched blue fabric strap that's bolstered by a leather backing. And it's good to see quick release spring bars for easy strap changes. Yeah, so what more do I need to say? Just an absolutely fantastic watch. And if you look at the crown design, this is one of the unique designs from Bausele, where sand from the Kimberley region of Western Australia is taken and sealed inside the crown. Let's give the bezel action a test. We have nice continuous clicks with just a tad of backplay. Now let me wind the crown so you guys can see the second hand in action. So the second hand is designed with a back extension so that every 30 seconds you will get the image of the Australian Ocean with either a shark fin or surfboard fin, depending on the orientation. I thought that was such a fun and clever design by the artist. On the case back, you see an etched Bausele logo and limited edition, 1 of 50. So let me show it to you on my 6.5-inch wrist. And as you can see, the 40mm case fits exceptionally well on my wrist. The watch also does come with a secondary tropic rubber strap so that you can change up its look. So there you have it, that's it for my unboxing of my new Bausele X Seconde Sydney Diver. I will be doing a full review of the watch, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed, and let me know down below what you think of the watch. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.